Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI in design. How AI helps doing better research, creating mockups, and sometimes write front-end code as well. But what if I tell you, that is not the real opportunity. The hardest part being a designer isn't about designing. It's about explaining your design decision to people who don't think like designers. And that is where AI can make the biggest impact. Let's break it down. Let's take a scenario that you've made a change in a button in a website layout or a product that you're designing already. And if you're a designer, this probably sounds familiar to you. You present this well-thought design decision to the team members and this is what you hear. I don't see why this matters. Can't we just use the old design? Does this actually impact the product? It's frustrating, I understand. But it's not about the design or the designer itself. It's about how different team thinks. Let's understand this scenario better. Every team have a different perspective. So when we divide teams into perspective, this is what we get. Designers thinks about usability, interaction, and behavior. Developers thinks about efficiency, scalability, code. Product teams thinks about strategy, roadmaps, and features. Marketing thinks about messaging, conversion, engagement. And sales thinks about revenue, leads, and closing deals. A button change might seem obvious to you, but if other team members don't understand the value behind it in their own language, they won't support it. Now let's take a look of the similar situation, but this time we are using the help of AI. We'll ask AI to translate this design decision, and this is what we get. For product manager, this improves user flow, boosting retention. For developers, this keeps UA inconsistent, reduces complexities. For marketing, this change increases engagement and conversions. For sales, clear CTAs equals to more leads and more sales. Same design, different explanation. Now every team understands the value and they will support it. AI's real power comes from communication, not just automation. AI isn't just about speeding up your design process, but also helps you communicate and collaborate between different teams. I feel that this is a win-win situation for everyone. Fewer roadblocks, less friction, better products. That's the real opportunity. Let me know what do you guys think about this. Like and subscribe this channel and also share with your designer friends so they can also understand and take the leverage of AI while doing communication with their different team members. See you soon.